OBD3. Sorry, OB53. Retained earnings account. What is retained earnings account? Retained earnings account is used to carry forward profit and loss balances to balance sheet. There is two financial statements. Tomorrow class I am going to discuss about accounting concepts, but you might have heard, all of you might have heard about balance sheet, and you might have heard about profit and loss statements. Okay, so one is balance sheet, second one is profit and loss statement. What is balance sheet? Balance sheet is the high level uh, reporting performance where we can see the complete financial performance of the company, whereas profit and loss means only income and expenses will be there. So as per accounting rule, as per accounting, you follow tally, you follow books, whatever. We are not accounts department, we are not accounting team, but we should know accounting process. As per accounting, what in the year end profit or loss you will get, you may get either income or you may get either expense, either loss, income or expenses. Okay, how you will get income or how, sorry, in the year end you may get either profit or loss. How? Total income minus total expenses is equal to your profit or loss. That profit or loss, whatever you are getting, that should go to the balance sheet. It has to be transferred to the balance sheet as per accounting. You follow books also, you have to do that manually. You have to take calculator, you have to calculate everything, you have to transfer it. That's what the chartered accountants, accounting team, olden days they used to do. But now we are in a top ERP. Why we have to do it manually? Click one button, automatically it will calculate profit and loss. It will transfer the balances to the balance sheet. But for this, we have to do one setting that is called retained earnings setting. Okay, what we have to do here, just click on execute button, chart of accounts BR40, profit and loss statement X, account, take the account as 100, 500. So generally what happens, wait. Generally what happens, profit and loss balances, it will go to the balance sheet. Again in balance sheet, it will go to liabilities. It will go, tomorrow I'll explain you again, don't worry. It will go to liabilities. So liability account is 100, 500. It's not yet created, but I'm going to create it later. I am going to create later. So 100, 500 is the liability account. Click on save button, enter. Yes, that's it. You will get one warning message. Don't worry, press enter button. That warning will go, save it. So, sir, with this configuration, will our balances will carry forward. It will carry forward. How? We'll see later. This is one setting which is mandatory for balance carry forward. Okay. So this is what we have done.